Commission, the 67 Bayan is required all to order.
Heavenly Father, we come to you today with humble hearts, seeking your guidance and wisdom.
Fellow guys headed by Police Captain Henrik Tyson, BFA, Bureau Fire, Lugait Station headed by SPO4 Prefecto Ligid, Captain Tara Lim Rapinyan, Captain Jeffrey Sarsaba, Captain Renan Horomo, Captain Porcia Magcobat, Captain Rolly Lunungan, Sulficio Uhay of Kalugnayan, and Kapitan Dennis Yurong of Bitahon, NACFIL members, sa akong mga special kong adlaw, ang kanhin akong mga kauban, former Mayor Nonito Otero, former Councilor Renato Yanis, ang among pinakamaritis ang kagawa na una, Mr. Renerio Pires. Kanawa yung partner lang. And former kagawad Emmanuel Pagalan, former kagawad Jerry Mangilala, Head of Offices, guests, ladies and gentlemen, maayong lugain. The recent state of our municipality is rated very good. In declaring so, we are guided by the results of evaluation and assessment. First, allow me to report to you the results of municipality's performance for fiscal year 2024 based on 10 governance areas. Pagdumala sa atong mga panudlanan ug ang paglahot ay niini. Collected by the treasurer is 155,432,630. Then our expenses is 141,325,282 with a surplus of 7,326,446. 2024 sale of good financial housekeeping of Region 10. Pagkudhod sa kapobrehon sa atong mga kaigsunan, kahit lower down its incidence from 23% to 16% in 2023. Pagpangandam o pagtubag sa kalamidad. Our MDRRMO is Gawad Kalasag Seal of Excellence awardee. Fully compliant with the rating of 2.09. Functionality and assessment, we have 100%. Local Committee on Anti-Trafficking and Violence Against Women and Children 2024 Functionality Assessment, 108%. Child-Friendly Local Governance Audit 2024, 99.38%, top 2 among the region. Outstanding performance in ACCD programs and services, one of the 5 LGUs being awarded among province of Misamis Oriental. 2024 Porpoise Exemplary Child of Northern Mindanao, Champion Provided Level John Simon Salisi from Barangay Biga, Lugait, Misamis Oriental. 2024 Porpoise Exemplary Child of Northern Mindanao, Grand Winner Regional Level John Simon Salisi from Barangay Biga, Lugait, Misamis Oriental. Natatanging Pamilyang Pilipino 2024 Champion Provincial Level, the Salisi Family of Barangay Biga. Natatanging Pamilyang Pilipino 2024 First runner-up regional level, Salisi Family also, of Barangay Biga. Gawad sa paglilingkod sa sambayanan, Gapas Awardee 2024. Outstanding service and support to DSWD's 4Ps. On health compliance and responsiveness, goal is ensuring health compliance and responsiveness. Pagsiguro sa pagsunod sa pagtubag sa serbisyong panglawas. Renovation and improvement of municipal health center fully implemented. Establishment of wellness and teen center fully implemented. Enhancement of lying-in clinic fully implemented. MHO accredited LIM Serbisyong Panglawas program. On sustainable education, goal is ensuring sustainable education. Pagsiguro sa usa ka malungtaron nga edukasyon. Ang mantra, batang lugaitnon, sigurado ang kaugmaon. Functional Municipal School Board, childhood care and development. Disbursement rate, we have 77.7%. We have expended 12,280,000. The conduct of community-based training, we have 183 graduates SMA welding, 120 graduates scaffolding. We have 100 graduates bookkeeping, 50 graduates food and beverage, and 40 graduates beauty care. Mga gwapa na gining Tagalog ni. Constructions and improvement of school buildings, Lugaid Central School, Bitahon Elementary School, Kalangahan Elementary School, Aya-Aya Elementary School. Construction of school perimeter fence, Biga Elementary School, Lugaid Senior High School, Kalangahan Elementary School, Kaloknayan Elementary School. Provision of reading kit material, this will enhance the reading ability of our school children. Provision of pavilion tent, 2 pieces per school of 9 schools. Provision of sound system, 1 unit per school. Provision of mono block chairs, Biga Elementary School, Lugaid Central School, Kaloknayan Elementary Schools. Provisions of laptop, all school heads. Mataas ang wala. Provision of desktop, laptop computers and printers, all school. Provision of tablets, Kalangahan Elementary Schools. Provided allowance to displaced college student of Lugaid College transferred to Initaw College. Naghatag kita og allowance doon sa na-transfer sila dito sa Initaw College. Ano itong Lugaid College kayo. Subok kayo nga dili gyud matugtan sa atong team. Provided Oplan libre sakay sa Lugaid non-students enrolled in Initaw College and nearby colleges and school. So this year we will add one school bus for the provision of our student nga moadto sa Iligan College. Our MBRP 100% functionality with 44 active facilitators. And the provincial MBRP based implementer. Going. Lugaid is now an ABOS certified municipality. Now updated, Municipal Economic Enterprise Amendment and Updating for the improvement of market building 2 and 3, road concreting of Lugaid Housing Enterprise, gymnasium re-roofing and improvement, implementation of cemetery garden projects, improvement of Lugaid bus terminal, proposed level 3 water development projects, and proposed slaughterhouse being adobo. Lugaid ranked top 5 nationwide out of 1,007 LGUs in one of the most improved municipalities in 2022, recognized by the Department of Trade and Industry. Ensuring safety, peace, and order, pagsiguro og usa ka luwas, husay ug linaw nga komunidad. In 2023 Peace and Order Performance Audit, Lugaid is among the 86 high-performing local government units in Region 3. 2024 Drug Abuse Council Performance Audit, National Awardee. Kaungang Pambarangay, Poblasyon Lagait awarded is among the 7th Order Public Safety Plan CY 2023 to 2025 with an 8,722,000 budget. 80% completed, some cameras are waiting to be energized by Morisco for power supply. On environmental management, goal is managing an environment, organized local solid waste management board. LGU Lugait has no red mark or did not meet criteria rating on all of the 8 indicators under the environmental management sector. We only pass. Pagsiogda o pagdasig sa turismo, kabahing kabilin, kultura o sa sining. Our initiative is development and enhancement of economic tourism. Status is fully implemented. Submitted proposal to development economic tourism park of Tunica. We were granted for the implementation of Green program worth 10 million from the national government. Updating and development of tourism development plan is ongoing. Creation of approved tourism officer position and office ongoing. On youth development, our goal is youth development. Promotion of Lugait Vida, Buhay Ingatan, Droga Ayawan. Conducted Linggo ng Kabataan, mental health and peer facilitation, establishment, wellness and teen center, fully functional. Top performing youth officer, top 10 in Misamis Oriental. Tungod ani nga mga performance nakakuhata og rating nga 76% sa SGLG. Ang atong comprehensive development plan nakakuha og grado nga 71.54%. Ang executive legislative agenda nakakuha og 73%. Ang legislative agenda 75%. We have more or less 4 months remaining in the term of office of June 30, 2022 until noon of June 30, 2025. Daghan pa kayo tag buluhaton as stated in the Lugait Ipalangmo Mahalon Development Agenda. Kini ang mga musunod. Formulation of the Revenue Generation Plan. Number 1, business-friendly LGU, an endeavor to become top 20 in the competitiveness index of DTI 11 initiative and sustain our claims in boundary dispute between Iligan City. Slim, Lugait, Ipalambo, Mahalon. Love to God, country, and families. People's welfare first. Happy attitudes, malipayon, malinawan, genuine service, good governance, and inclusive people participation. The Mayong Lugait mantra emphasizes the undertaking for the culture of excellence in public service was pursued and realized. The basic principle that every Lugaitnon, its leaders, and the constituents have to serve at all times and in all circumstances. In closing, this report has outlined key findings and proposed actionable steps to enhance governance and efficient public service. By committing to these changes, we can strengthen accountability, transparency, and sustainability to achieve inclusive growth and reduce poverty. Together, we can continue to build a resilient and proactive community. Mabuhay ang Lugaitnon, dalaygon ang Diyos. Daghang salamat.
Support. So, let's go. Sa former councilor, Engineer Porfirio Augusto, Ma'am Sweet Cabaluna, I would like to begin by expressing my gratitude to Mayor Willie Lim for the comprehensive and insightful state of the municipality address delivered here. Isa po niyang bayan sa Session Hall. The Mayor has highlighted significant achievement and outlined a vision that seeks to move our community forward. With that, I reaffirm my commitment to supporting the Mayor's agenda while serving as a voice for our constituent. Together through open dialogue and collective effort, we can build a municipality we can all be proud of. Thank you, and let us continue to work hand in hand for the betterment of Lugay. And also, I would like to extend my gratitude to all the Sangguniang members who are present today, and also to our barangay officials, department heads, district supervisor, school principals, school in charge, distinguished guests. Thank you for joining us today as we listen the state of the municipality address. Your presence is greatly appreciated. Once again, thank you and thank you. To be said, the chair would like to solicit a motion for the adjournment.
Mr. Chairman,
Honorable Malawi, you're recognized.
motion for the adjournment of today's session.
It is seconded by Honorable Mabiller, Honorable Pagbuto, Honorable Sean Augusto, Honorable Albert Augusto. Any objection? Hearing none, the 154th regular session is hereby adjourned.